Please click on this red button and also click on the notification bell so you know when I upload a video.
I'm back. Yes, I sat down to do this video and then I ended up doing the video before this one. Anyways, I am Katia Valino. I am a beauty and lifestyle blogger. I talk about relationship, marriage. I do skincare. I tell you how to look good from inside out. If today is your first day, hit that red button and also click on the red subscribe and also click on the button so you will know when I upload a video. Today is something very troubling.
Please do not come here to start comparing male and female circumcision because they are not the same.
Today I want to talk about F.G.M, female genital mutilation. Yeah, when I say women, it's not done in the adulthood. It's usually done when a female child is born. From childbirth to I think 6 years or maybe a little bit above. This is so troubling to me. I and my girlfriend were talking about it. My girlfriend is a victim. She's married now. She has 4 children, but there are underlying factors that I want you guys to know. But a lot of people, a lot of women are not aware of that. This goes on and is still going on in some part of Africa, in some part of Asia, in some part of Middle East. Now I am going to speak on what I know, what I was told from my own culture, why they did that. This is during our forefathers, grandparents, even though that some people are still doing it today. Okay, they say that when a woman is not circumcised, now they say that one of the reasons why they circumcise women is to prevent them from being promiscuous. This is what the olden people do not know, that there are so many complications associated with female mutilation. A woman can get barren by having her mutilated, not having children. Some women can have AIDS, HIV, or some other diseases because they're using the same razor and they use sharp objects. Oh my gosh. You know what? Yeah, a woman can get infection, a woman can get barren, a woman can have bladder infection, and all these things, naming them over and over and over. And my girlfriend told me that her grandfather, as soon as a baby girl is born in the village, that baby girl will be brought to this grandfather of my girlfriend. He is the one that performs or used to perform the genital mutilation for girls. I did a video last year about this where I was in Nigeria. I'm not going to say what part of Nigeria, but I heard a cry somewhere in the neighborhood. And when I asked what was going on, I was told that a girl is being mutilated. And in later age, when all these things begin to affect all these women, they don't enjoy sex anymore because the pleasure point has been taken away. So I am one of those women who are speaking against that. Please join forces, join hands, do the education, talk to the people in the village, in the rural area, that the consequences are more than what they're doing to these small girls. As far as I am concerned, it's an abuse. Regardless of how you look at that, it's an abuse. Poor little girl being caught. And here, you know what? Look,
4 different kinds of female genital mutilation. First one is when the top part of the clitoris is removed completely or in half. The second one is when the clitoris and the inner lips, known as labia minora, are removed. The third one is when the clitoris and the labia minora and the labia majora are removed. The fourth one is also considered as number 4 or as unclassified when everything is completely removed, leaving and stitched that up, leaving a very small opening at the end just for the urinal flow and for the menstrual flow. There are so many complications associated with this, including heavy hemorrhage, complications as women being barren, contacting HIV. Some women can also lose their lives during this kind of you know what? It's terrible. I'm crying doing this video.
You know what? Look, you guys have seen the different kinds. 4 different kinds of mutilation. And this is so sad. I just want to share my view to you guys and let me know what you guys think about this. Join forces and talk about that. We women are the only people who can end female genital mutilation. I will leave you guys here. Remember to subscribe to this channel and also remember to share this video. Thank you guys, and I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. Bye. See you in my next video.